In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel an appointment on Acuity Scheduling, step by step. Whether you need to remove a booking, handle a client cancellation, or free up your calendar, the process is quick and easy. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, click on the Calendar section from the left side menu. This is where all your scheduled appointments are displayed. Now locate the appointment you want to cancel. You can browse by date or use the search feature if you have many bookings. Once you find the appointment, click on it to open the booking details. Inside the appointment window, look for the Cancel option. Click it to begin the cancellation process. Acuity may ask you to confirm the cancellation before proceeding. This helps prevent accidental removals, so review the appointment details carefully. Next, choose whether you want to notify the client about the cancellation. If notifications are enabled, the client will automatically receive a cancellation email with the updated status. You can also include a custom message explaining the reason for the cancellation or providing instructions for rescheduling. After confirming everything, finalize the cancellation. The appointment will be removed from your calendar, and the time slot may become available for future bookings again. If the appointment was already paid for, remember that refunds usually need to be processed through your connected payment provider, depending on your setup. Before finishing, double-check your calendar to confirm the appointment was successfully canceled. And that's it. You've successfully canceled an appointment in Acuity Scheduling and updated your booking calendar properly. And that's how you cancel appointments on Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.